Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video by PoliceActivity. The title of it is LA County Deputies Clap Man Advancing with Scissors. You know what I'm saying? Gotta keep the words kind of clean. You know what I mean? YouTube be on they, you know. But let's get into it, man.
911, what's your emergency?
Yeah, I live in Quimby Street. Can you call the police? My son, I tried to tell something to my son and he hit me in the eye. And I have a lot of blood in my eye. And, you know.
Do you need police or paramedics?
No, just the police.
¿Me pegó con la mano? ¿Le pegó con la mano? ¿Dónde está él? Aquí está. Okay.
Señor, does he want medical?
Yeah, we need medical. No, I don't want medical.
Oh.
¿Cómo se llama él? Julio.
Yes, we did response code 3 for Beach Street.
¿Es que para tratarle?
No, ahí tiene estoy, yo le quiero sacar de su cuarto, que lo ponga ahí, está en su cuarto. Ese es su cuarto. Le dije que no quiere cruzar, que él tiene una taza allá atrás, tiene taza allí y adentro. Y no, porque dije que lo tirara, me dijo que no, que yo siempre quiero hacer lo que yo quiero.
¿Cómo está Julio?
Chester 111 boy, response code 3 for the desk, Lancaster 111 boy.
30. So he's saying that he got hit with just a drink? ¿Quieren poner carros con todos? ¿Sí o no? Hey. Oh my God.
Well, hold on now. Let me run it back.
Con la mano. ¿Le pegó con la mano? ¿Dónde está él? Aquí está. Okay.
Señor, does he want medical?
Yeah, we need medical. No, I don't want medical.
Oh.
¿Cómo se llama él? Julio.
Yes, we did response code 3 for Beach Street.
¿Es que para tratarle?
No, ahí tiene estoy, yo le quiero sacar de su cuarto, que lo ponga ahí, está en su cuarto. Ese es su cuarto. Le dije que no quiere cruzar, que él tiene una taza allá atrás, tiene taza allí y adentro. Y no, porque dije que lo tirara, me dijo que no, que yo siempre quiero hacer lo que yo quiero.
¿Cómo está Julio?
Chester 111 boy, response code 3 for the desk, Lancaster 111 boy.
30. So he's saying that he got hit with just a drink? ¿Quieren poner carros con todos? ¿Sí o no? Hey.
Ooh, hit him with that act right.
Oh my God.
They hit that boy with that act right, man. That boy, what? You charging? You said what? What now? Hold on. We gonna get you straight. Hold on. We gonna get you right.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
If you made it this far in the video, I know that you're enjoying it. We're going to get right back to it in a second, but I just want you to do a couple of things. First things first, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, hit all. Then, if you're enjoying the content, make sure you check out our members-only content. You would click on join. Check out our supporter package for $4.99, where you get badges, custom emojis. You're just showing your gratitude to the channel. Comment priority. You know I do not comment very often on videos, but I will reply to you. If you have any video suggestions, you can definitely let me know. We will get to it. And early access to all new videos. Now, check out VIP. You get everything in the supporter package, but you also get member shout-outs, right? I will shout you out on the video, and members-only exclusive videos. Now that I've explained all that, thank you so much for your support. Let's get back to the video.
Drop it, bro, drop it!
Drop it!
Lakewood 137.
Drop it!
¡Con la tirada! Drop your knife.
Explicando, ya le expliqué.
Ven, pues, está la policía, Talan.
No, ya le expliqué que ya sé que tiene llaves y todo. Ya
For the 459 now call. If he has a
What are you trying to
force.
explain to me? What are you trying to explain to me?
Like, honestly, what goes through their mind that they think pulling out a knife or whatever is a good idea? Like, what makes you think, okay, I'm gonna do this and this is going to be a great outcome, man? You gonna end up in the dirt.
The patch, 998. What's the address? Drop it, bro, drop it! Drop it!
Drop it!
Drop it!
Drop it!
Lakewood 137.
Drop it!
Ven, pues, está la policía, Talan.
No, ya le expliqué que ya sé que tiene llaves y todo.
For the 459 now call.
What happened, man? What are you trying to explain to me? What are you trying to explain to me?
Oh yeah. Put him in the dirt. Oh. People are insane, bruh. Like, what makes you think that that's a great idea, man? You just gonna get put in the dirt.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.